In this video, I'll show you how to fix no NVIDIA GPU is detected on your system. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is come over to your Start menu and search for Device Manager, and then click on the Device Manager window. Now from the top, you need to come up to Action and select Scan for hardware changes. And once you've done that, you need to come back up to Action and this time press Add Legacy Hardware. Then go ahead and click on Next. Select Install the hardware that I manually select and press Next. And then click on Display Adapters. Select Next. Then click on Microsoft and make sure you have Microsoft Remote Display Adapter selected. Then click on Next. And then finally press Finish. So once you've done that, the last thing we're going to do is just expand this display adapters here. And you need to right click on your GPU and select Update Driver. Then press Browse My Computer for drivers and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then go ahead and select your GPU from the list and hit Next. And once you've updated your driver, that should have now fixed any issues with your GPU not being detected. If it's still not working, the last thing you can try is coming over to the settings on your computer. Scroll all the way down on the left and select Windows Update. Click on the Check for Updates button and just ensure you're running the latest version of Windows. Sometimes the updates here do contain updates for your GPU as well, so it's important to make sure this is fully up to date. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you fix the no NVIDIA GPU message. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.